The original fan-based white noise machine. Beloved by generations since 1962, the Dohm is the original white noise machine. The Dohm model features our famous Yogasleep Sound, the natural, soothing sound of rushing air produced by a real fan inside and filling the room like no electronic speaker can. Creates the soothing ambient sounds of rushing air without the cooling effects of a fan. Our noise-masking natural sound machines replicate the constant whirring of an air conditioner or fan in a compact unit. Blocks outside disruptions. Gently blocks disruptive sounds of the outside world in your home, office, hotel room, or vacation home. Effectively buffers outside noise from loud neighbors, barking dogs, snoring partners, chatty coworkers, and city sounds. Helps manage tinnitus symptoms. Privacy and concentration. Use white noise in your office, study, or classroom to minimize outside distractions so you can focus on the task at hand. Sound machines are a low-cost way to ensure sensitive meetings are kept private in your office. Top reviews from the United States. Great sleep awaits. This is a game changer. I was skeptical, and have used fans, air purifiers, sleep CDs, you name it for sound sleep aids. This is beyond compare. I'm a really light sleeper, and since purchasing this device, I can't remember sleeping better. Do yourself a favor, get one. You won't regret it.